in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your microphone input format on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result, should go back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select the system item on the left panel, and then on the right side, select sound. And then scrolling down underneath advanced, select all sound devices, and then select your microphone from the input device field or list, and then select the format drop-down menu, and you can change it to whatever you want. And that's how you would change the microphone input format for your Lenovo device. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.